Hey guys, running Kimono here, and today's deals were kind of sidetracked by the amount of 90% off clearance that I found. OMG. We're going to talk about the cold stuff right away because I want to put it in the fridge right away. 49 cents for a pack of Johnsonville breakfast links that are usually $4.99. So I got 10 of them for basically $4.99, and I basically paid for one and got 9 for free if you think about the math there. And I'm going to show you the UPCs for all this stuff. Weather report for you guys. Really nice day. Look, there's an icicle on the tree. That's kind of bizarre. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. Okay. In the refrigeration section over at Walgreens, walk through it. A lot of iced teas, lots of other things. A lot of it was gone, but there was still some stuff this morning that I found, including these Johnsonville turkey links. There's 12, so it's 9.6 ounces. And this guy was 49 cents. And then also the original was ringing up for 49 cents. And this, for whatever reason, was on one of these, so I just left it there. So I'll show you guys the UPCs. Spectacular find was for 49 cents. It's these 32 fluid ounces of the Dunkin' Donuts vanilla extra. So this specific one, 49 cents. So that's just a killer price. They also had Coffee Mate, and I'll show you the two different ones that I found there. You're either Team International or Team Coffee Mate. I cannot stomach Coffee Mate creamer. I just find it's quite chalky. So this is always the winner for me, anything from the International company. Okay, so if you walk down the beverage aisle, lots of more clearance items. And I'm going to be really transparent with you guys. Like, how did you find all this stuff? There was a very chatty manager at one store that I visited. I went to 2 different stores, and I said to her, I'm like, hey, so what's the really good clearance items? And then she's like, okay, let's walk down this aisle. I'll show you this. I'll show you that. This wasn't even tagged. And because of her, I was able to find all this stuff. So obviously when you're buying food, always check the expiry dates. Like all those sausages that I bought, those sausage links, like what do you do with that much? Well, we're going to freeze a lot of it. Plus we feed a herd of cats. So, you know, it's always something that they'll enjoy. So, but double, triple check the expiry dates because you don't want to buy something that's like really expired. So the sparkling non-alcoholic rosé, it's a grape juice cocktail. That sounds actually really good. This guy was also 49 cents. Okay, so there are 2 different types of the Arizona iced tea. I think one of them is like a mango flavor or peach flavor. They didn't have it at this one store, but they did have this one, which is iced tea with raspberry flavor. And this is a gallon, so it is a large amount of it. And this guy was 39 cents. So it was $3.99 down to 39 cents. I was able to get 3 of them. And again, like I was telling you guys, I just asked the manager really nicely. I'm like, can you show me where the nice clearance is? And she's like, check this out, check that out, check this out, check that out. I'm doing the survey at that store and saying that manager is like aces because I mean, I would have never found that without her. She was amazing. The V8 Spicy Hot, if you like Bloody Marys, this is obviously a great item. And again, I think this one was like 49 cents. So I'll show you the UPC. Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a slideshow. This is stuff I did not buy. So we have these little Crystal Light shot packs. You just throw in this liquid flavor. And for 79 cents, the original price point was $7.99 or $7.49. 5-Hour Energy, down to $1.49. A friend of mine who's an avid jogger had one of these, fell over and had a heart attack. So I'm not buying that. Just bad juju for me. And then we have this Clean Key, some sort of like security thing, down 90% at 80 cents. And then this is an item I really wanted to find that somebody had cleared it. It's the Purell hand sanitizing wipes 20 count, down to 25 cents. I think a lot of this stuff will be on clearance in the next 2 to 3 months, and I think a lot of you probably have the same thoughts. Something that was still at 50% are these exceptionally cute candles. So down to $4.99, a little bit too rich for this girl, but when it hits 99 cents, I will buy all of them. To tell you guys, clearance is always a weird thing. It's always a your mileage may vary, which means how I initially found out about this clearance is that the freebie guy had a bunch of information on his Instagram. He had it last night really late, so that's why I decided to check some of the items he was finding, and our items was lining up. He's in Texas, I'm here in Michigan. So if you're in a different part of the United States, like say you're in Maine, it might be next week that this stuff clears, or it might be the same day. So it's always worth going to check. And there isn't a price checker or anything like that over at Walgreens. What you must do is ask the cashier to scan one item for you. And if, say you find this and it's ringing up for 49 cents, then you know you're in business. But just be mindful of that, guys. It's not always a given with clearance. Other great new clearance finds that I found today include these Dial, it's like a liquid hand soap refill. And these guys were 30 cents each. And they regular section for the hand soaps, plus they have like end caps full of like hand sanitizer, that sort of stuff. And these were part of an end cap. They weren't in the regular section, and they were still ringing up for 30 cents each. We have this one in Freesta Citrus and Orange Blossom. They both sound amazing. So to get 8 of these, yes please, and thank you so much. Another great find, thank you so much to that cool manager, are these single bar soaps by Caress. And she pointed this out. She was like, hey, go over there and get all of them. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. And I found 9 of them. She was like fairy godmother of clearance, and she was saying, she was laughing, she's like, do you want to just buy everything in our store so I can just put more Easter stuff up? I'm like, yes. And she was just delighted to get me all that stuff. So she was so cool, and it was just like a great moment. I can't stress it enough, the nicer you are to staff, and for a clearance event like this, if you're not really good at clearance hunting, ask somebody really nicely. If you see them on the floor and if they have that price scanner, ask super nice, and sometimes they will accommodate and be like really cool. Okay, so the next 2 items that we have, let's go with the Delsum. This guy's $1.79. I paid that out of pocket. Now, my coupons.com app, there was a $2 rebate last week. It reset. So I paid that $1.79 out of pocket, got back $2 from coupons.com, making this free, plus a 21-cent moneymaker. I was telling you guys last week, I found 2 of these Sol. It's like a tanning cloth for self-tanner, and these are priced I think at 23 bucks for one, like $23.99. They're on clearance for $2.39, and it was a hidden clearance because nobody, like, it wasn't marked. There's a $4 IVC found in the March Big Book, makes them use to pay for tax. So these are the actual coupon deals that I did today. I made a video about this one first thing at the crack of pro. These Dove, it's a hand sanitizer, and they are 8 fluid ounces. Buy one, get one 50% off. And with curbside pickup, that is $5.61 for the 2. There's a $4.99 off of 2 digital coupons, so you'll pay 62 cents plus tax, almost free. And I know in some states the tax is pretty high, so you probably could use $1 of Walgreens cash, but this is really great, and yeah, I was so happy with this deal, so 2 of them. Another fantastic deal, and is taking place all week long. So if you wanted to do this over a couple of days, if you had those $4.50 off of 2 coupons, I mean, this is just a terrific deal. So this guy is $7.79, and these guys were $6 and some change. On a buy one, get one 50% off for these 4, it was $20.76. I surrendered 2 $4.50 off a 2 coupon, so $9 came off. I had to pay $11.76 cash out of pocket because this is a spend deal. So you must pay cash bills, credit card, debit card, whatever. And then I got back $10 for spending $20, so that's a 50% return on investment. And then I also had some sort of, it was like one of those just for yous. It was like $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy any Nivea skin product. So it made this completely for free for me, so that's really fantastic. Deal that we have is with the Scots. These are $5 each on a BOGO 50% off. So for 2 of them, that's $7.50. There was a $1 digital coupon that showed up this morning, so it drops it down to $6.50. Use $5 of Walgreens cash and pay $1.50 and photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because you'll get back extra points for this. How wonderful is that? Guys, the best of luck with this clearance stuff. I would move on this sooner than later. Whenever there's a big amount of like food items and like, you know, liquid dish soap, that sort of stuff, liquid hand soap, that sort of stuff, it tends to go very, very quickly, but look high and low. Don't look at just the regular aisles. Look around the store, especially for that iced tea. I found that near the photo area, and this was on its own end cap, these little hand soaps. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.